Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you are getting this type of problem. Enter the Apple ID password for your Apple ID to turn off Find My iPhone. When you try to sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad device, then here you will see this type of interface. Enter the Apple ID password to turn off Find My iPhone. If you get this type of notification on your iPhone or iPad device while signing out your Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad device, here let's try to sign out. Tap on sign out. Then here you can see that it's asking me to enter the Apple ID password to turn off Find My iPhone. Here, when you sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad device, you will not be able to find your iPhone device without Apple ID. That's why it's asking if you sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad device, then you will not be able to use the Find My iPhone feature on your iPhone or iPad device. If your iPhone lost, then you will not be able to use the Find My feature to find your iPhone again. It's asking and it's notifying that if you sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone or iPad device, then you will not be able to find this iPhone device if it's lost. So here it's asking me to enter the password. So after that, when you enter the password, that Apple ID will be signed out and you will not be able to find your iPhone device through your Apple ID. So here you will need to enter your Apple ID password. Then tap on done. So after that, here it's asking me to sign out. So here you can keep a copy of the data, contact, health and Safari. If you want to get the copy, then you can enable these toggles. If you don't want to get the copy, then here you will have to disable these toggles. Then tap on sign out. Then again tap on sign out. Then here iCloud is signing out from my iPhone device. When my iCloud will be signed out from my iPhone device, then I cannot use the Find My feature and I will not be able to find my iPhone device through my Apple ID. So this is the way through which fix this problem, and that is the mean of that feature and that Find My iPhone issue problem. So when you sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone device, then next time you will not be able to find your iPhone device through your Apple ID. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.